Did you know the man who executed King Louis XVI suffered nightmares for years afterward? Charles-Henri Sanson came from a family that had served French royalty for generations. Now, he had to kill the king himself. On January 21st, 1793, Sanson tested his newly designed guillotine. 20,000 angry people gathered in Place de la Révolution, screaming for blood. That morning, Louis wrote his will and prepared to die. When Sanson approached, the king refused to have his hands tied. He asked for time to pray and declared he forgave all his enemies. As Louis began his final words to the crowd, Sanson ordered the drums to drown him out. At 10:22 in the morning, the blade fell. Sanson lifted the severed head to the roaring crowd, but inside he was broken. Years later, Sanson confessed the execution haunted his dreams. This single moment triggered the Reign of Terror and paved the way for Napoleon's rise, changing European history forever.